Okay, so this was the first signal I sent early morning. This is jump 100 and it's currently in profit of $124, and the volume or the lot size is actually 0.21. Okay, so the entry was somewhere at 36784, and the stop loss is currently at 37752, and then the take profit is somewhere at 36144, and it's about to hit soon. So let me just show you in the Telegram. Okay, so as you can see, the first signal to send from this bot is at March 19. Okay, it's for jump 100. Okay, it's a sell signal and it was meant to be entered immediately when it was sent. The stop loss was to be 37728. Okay, and the take profit, yeah, the take profit is actually 36089, and the stop loss is 37728, somewhere there. So this is just a demonstration on how the signals are and how they are doing. So the link to them will be in the description.